Imagine waking up on the open road, sunlight pouring through panoramic windows, and every comfort of home already waiting for you. This is not a dream, this is the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Bus, and today you're watching it first on RV TourHub. The moment you step inside this motorhome, you feel the difference. Chevrolet has designed this bus to be bold, modern, and incredibly practical for long road trips and luxury travel. The interior feels open and premium, with smart use of space that makes it perfect for families, couples, or full-time RV living. Let's start with the sleeping area, because comfort matters most on the road. This motorhome comes with 2 spacious beds, designed for deep, relaxing sleep after a long drive. The mattresses are wide and supportive, with enough headroom and storage around the bed so you never feel cramped. Whether it's night travel or a peaceful campsite stay, these beds turn the motorhome into a true mobile bedroom. Now moving into one of the strongest highlights, the dual kitchen setup. Yes, this motorhome offers 2 types of kitchen areas, making it extremely functional. On one side, you'll find a clean and modern kitchen section with a sink, sleek countertops, and cabinets for daily cooking needs. This side is perfect for quick meals, tea, or washing dishes on the go. On the door side, Chevrolet has smartly placed the second kitchen section, which includes a microwave, refrigerator, and additional storage. This layout keeps appliances easily accessible without blocking movement inside the bus. The fridge is large enough for long trips, and the microwave makes reheating or quick cooking effortless. Everything is placed exactly where it should be for maximum convenience. The living area flows smoothly from the kitchen, giving you space to relax, sit, and enjoy the journey. Large windows bring in natural light, making the interior feel even bigger and more welcoming. High-quality materials, soft lighting, and modern finishes reflect Chevrolet's focus on luxury and durability. It also features a fully equipped modern bathroom with a shower, toilet, and wash basin, giving you complete privacy and comfort just like home, even while traveling. This 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Bus is not just a vehicle, it's a complete lifestyle upgrade. It's built for adventure, comfort, and freedom, all wrapped in one powerful machine. If you love motorhomes, campers, and the latest RV tours, make sure to subscribe to RV TourHub, like this video, and share it with fellow RV lovers. More exclusive motorhome tours are coming your way, so stay connected, and keep exploring the road in style.